Hello and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I wanted to cover how you can actually create different environments in Android Studio. So for instance, if you wanted to have like a production environment, a staging environment, or developing environment, you can actually configure that all within Android Studio, and I'll cover that in this video. So if we head over to the documentation, I just wanted to show you that if you head over to configuration and environment flavors down here, and yeah, the first step is we just need to create another env file. So let's do that in our project. So I'm gonna just copy this and just call it prod like that. And then I'm just gonna do another one. Let's do staging. And that's all we need to do. And the next thing we need to do then just make sure that this flag is run when we build the app. So to do that, what we need to do is go to our IDE, and then we can go to edit configurations. And inside here, we should be able to like basically add new configuration for Flutter, like so. Let's call this one production. And then here we just want to basically add that additional argument, so something similar to that. So I think our file is called prod, so I'll name that prod like that and just hit OK. And you'll see now at the top we do have production here. I think actually one last thing we need to do is also configure the dart entry point. So for us that will be the main.dart file, which is here. So just hit OK on that, and you can see now everything's okay. And yeah, let's give it a try. So just double check in here. So inside your pub.spec.yaml file, also you'll just need to add the file that we've created. So yeah, that prod one. And I think while I'm here, I'll just add also the staging one too. So add staging. And in fact, let's also add staging to our configurations as well. Copy the configuration. So if we just copy that, and then we just call this one staging. And yeah, so also update this one to staging. And yeah, that's all we need to do there. And just to show you it's working, what I'll do is just configure the app name for now. Let's just call this like prod production. This one staging. What I'll do is just print out, I think the app name is already printed out on the homepage. I'll just show you what that looks like. So if we go to the homepage, currently we've got this app name. Yeah, get app name. And that app name will obviously be equal to what this is. So that's how that's working. So let's try production first. I'm just gonna stop building that and let's go production. Cool, so you can see that's working. So we're on the production environment, which we specified here. So yeah, that's all working. If we try staging. And yeah, we can also see the staging environment is set up correctly as well. So that's like a really quick example, basically how you can configure like basically different like envs. And you'd probably want to do this for like your different like endpoints for your obviously backend. So you could have your production obviously URL here and your staging URL here, and then be able just to switch between them like really quickly and just always ensure you're basically building the right app. So yeah, hope you've enjoyed that video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.